Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the correct blade for the material. Wood blades cut fast, metal blades remove heat slowly. Once chosen, secure the workpiece and align your first cut line precisely. You should put on eye protection, hearing protection, and a dust mask before power. Plug in, insert the blade, and set a low speed for your initial plunge to control kickback. Make a controlled plunge along the mark. This establishes a clean entry and prevents the tool from walking off the line. Once the entry is established, progress with short, overlapping passes rather than forcing a deep cut. This reduces blade wear and heat buildup. You should vary speed, increase for soft wood and decrease for metals or thin blades to prevent binding. Make steady forward movement, keeping a firm two-handed grip and consistent pressure. Never twist the tool sideways. Use the correct accessory interface and check blade tightness between passes. If dust accumulates, pause and clear it to preserve visibility and cooling. To finish, switch to a fine-tooth blade or sanding pad and make light, even passes to remove burrs and smooth edges. Make sure to unplug the tool before changing accessories and inspect blades for dulling or damage. Replace worn blades to avoid poor cuts. If the tool binds or stalls, stop immediately, unclamp the workpiece, and remove debris. Then confirm you used the right blade and speed. One key troubleshooting tip: binding usually means incorrect blade choice, excessive feed rate, or a clogged cut. Correct that before resuming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.